Okay, Raglan increases on the knit side of our work. So we are one stitch before the marker and we lift up the leg before the next stitch to do our make one right. We lift it from front to back over the left hand needle and knit into the front of it. Knit the next stitch, slip the marker, knit the next stitch after the marker, and then lift the leg before the next stitch up over the left hand needle from back to front and knit into the back of it, and that's our make one left. And then we continue up to one stitch before the next marker and repeat that process, and then continue it throughout all our raglans. Okay, so here we are again, one stitch before the next marker, so we're going to make one right. Lift up the leg before the stitch up over the left needle from front to back and knit into the front of that stitch. Knit the next stitch, slip our marker, knit the next stitch, and we are ready to make one left by lifting the leg before the next stitch up over the left hand needle from back to front, and then we're going to knit into the back of it, and that's our make one left. Okay, so now we're ready to turn for our German short rows. So what we do is we turn our work onto the wrong side or the purl side, and then slip that first stitch off the left needle onto the right needle with your yarn in front purl wise, and then we're going to pull that yarn up over the right hand needle and then back round to the purl position and purl back, and that's how we do the turn.